Welcome you all. Today's video is a very special one. Today is 4th of August 2021. Almost 1 year back, 4th of August 2020 को UPSC announced its final result of 2019 examination. I was giving my final attempt, reached to the interview stage, but finally could not make it to the final list. I missed the final cutoff by just 14 marks and the reserve list by just 6 marks. So that was the end of my UPSC journey. Very often in life we see these kind of terminal event where we felt that nothing can go right from here onwards. So in today's video I will share you how I have bounced back from such a massive event in my life. I won't say it is a failure, such an event in my life, and what you can learn from it. Alright, so let's start the today's video. We will start this video with a story from the life of Gautam Buddha. तो जिनको नहीं पता, I will share with you. Gautam Buddha left his palace, his life, to seek the enlightenment. About means he was not sure. He knew that he want to seek enlightenment, the eternal happiness he wants to seek. But क्या रास्ता वो follow करेंगे उन्हें नहीं पता था. So he went out to the world, to the wilderness, and the most common path जो उस time पे popular था for the enlightenment was the self mortification. Self mortification का मतलब क्या होता है कि giving your body a lot of pain to free your soul. तो that was the path of enlightenment which was popular at that point of time. तो बुद्धा ने भी वही follow किया, and fasting for a number of days, 50 days, 60 days, plucking his own hair from his own hands. तो ये सारी चीजें बुद्धा ने follow करनी शुरू की. For almost 7 years he followed this path with no substantial result. Then he realized कि यार इस तरीके से तो enlightenment नहीं मिलने वाला. Then the thought came to his mind कि यार ये सब छोड़ते हैं, वापस चलते हैं, राजपाट संभालते हैं. That thought came to his mind. But he finally decided कि नहीं, गोल वही रखते हैं enlightenment का, but रास्ता change करते हैं. Then he chose middle path and finally attained the nirvana in the Bodh Gaya. So this is a brief story from the life of the Gautam Buddha. What this story teaches us? तो ये story हमें बताती है कि देखिए आपका रास्ता change हो सकता है. Your path can change, but your goal and your determination should never change. ठीक है? तो जो फीलिंग बुद्धा को आई थी आफ्टर द 7 years setback must be the similar kind of feeling that I had after giving more than 6 years to the UPSC examination, giving 2 interviews and missing the final cutoff just by a small margin. The thoughts of coming back to the corporate world also came to my mind. कि यार corporate world में चलते हैं, being an IIT graduate, that option is always open for me. But then the thing came to my mind कि यार corporate जाने का मन नहीं था पहले, तभी यहाँ आए थे. तो all these things were going on right after the result. But finally one thing came to my mind, जो मैंने अपने इंटरव्यू वाले वीडियो में भी शेयर किया है. The final thing which I said to the UPSC board member in my interview is that much this exam has given me in terms of personal growth and given me such a variety of knowledge, open up the various horizon. I have developed various skill. So I have thanked UPSC for such kind of development. Now this thought came to my mind. Then I evaluated कि यार इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो मैंने सीखी हैं पिछले 6-7 सालों में. Why not only utilize this rather than changing the trajectory just because of insecurity? ठीक है. Then I started with the new vision. Like I will build up a edtech startup where all the aspirants are able to understand the demand of this exam clearly. With this vision I started, and rest already you know. More than 5,500 students have registered in our various programs till now. More than 1,000 hours our team has spent in mentoring the various students. 125 students have cleared the prelims examination. 38 students are giving the interview for this year as well. So the idea is, whenever you see such kind of a setback in your life, just evaluate what you really want to do. Your path can change, but your goal and determination should be there. Evaluate the kind of skill, the kind of knowledge which you have gathered by engaging in any kind of initiative, whether it can be any professional setback or it can be other setback like in the competitive examination, like in the personal life as well. So अगर आप देखेंगे ओवरऑल मैसेज जो मैं इस वीडियो से देना चाहता हूँ आपको, वो ये है, इट इज नॉट ओवर अंटिल यू फील इट इज ओवर. ड्रीम बिग एंड चेज देम रूथलेसली, है ना. एक मूवी का भी डायलॉग है कि जीत अक्सर उनकी हो जाया करती है जो हारना टालते जाते हैं. सो जो 1 साल बाद मुझे टेंशन थी, 1 साल पहले जो एक इनसिक्योरिटी के थॉट्स थे कि व्हाट आई विल डू, कि क्या कॉर्पोरेट जॉब मिलेगी, क्या एक पैरेलली जो मेरे पीयर ग्रुप है उनके पैरेलली मैं जॉब कर पाऊंगा. आई हैव नाउ receive job offer from all the companies. जितने भी big edtech companies हैं, even the most dominated player in the field, उनके director का personally भी call receive हुआ था. But it is not about all these jobs and everything. It is all about your vision in life. How you dream big and chase them ruthlessly. And finally, I also want to thank all of you to support me in this journey. Thank you guys. All the best.